Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set your home and work address on Google Map. The first thing you do is to open up your Google Map, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner over here, then you can tap on this. And once you've done that, you can see this option of edit home or work. Tap on it so you can set your home address by entering your home address over here, or you can use your current address, or you can choose on the map. So let's say I want to use my current address. Tap on it, then you get an address for your current location. You can see it here. So once you do that, this is help you to share your address for faster delivery, so it can get delivered right to your doorstep. So your name identity will never be shared. Your home address will be saved in your private Maps profile where you can edit or remove it. Then you tap on continue. Don't forget to turn on location accuracy. So now it's looking for the most precise address, and once it's found it, it has set your home address. It's as simple as that.